Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim your curls. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you guys can get updated when I post a new video. I'm going to be posting lots of videos, so I wouldn't want you guys to miss out. Subscribe, turn my post notifications on, and if you like this video by the end of it, give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are watching this video today, you either want to learn how to cut your curls or you just want to watch me maybe mess up. But we will not be messing up because I have done this multiple times. I always cut my hair, so I'm ready to teach you how to cut your hair. What we're gonna need is a pair of scissors. These are my scissors. I got these from Target. They were like $7. They are by Conair. They are hair cutting scissors. You want to make sure you guys are getting hair cutting scissors specifically because you don't want to cause any split ends and cause damage to your curls. So since we're in quarantine, my hair has gotten so long I can't even see. You guys can't even see my face. It's covering my eyes. So I decided to trim my hair. Before we get started though, this hoodie that I am wearing is by Skid Row and Relief Bed. Skid Row Fashion Week has collaborated with Relief Bed so that they can make relief beds for all the people in need on Skid Row. Support if you can, donate, buy a hoodie. You want to make sure your hair is fully dry. You don't want to do this on your first day of your first day hair. You want to do this on the third day of curls. This is my third day of curls, so I ensured that my hair has fallen to its natural state. This is how your hair always falls, so that's why you want to wait a little bit till it fully dries. You want to make sure each curl is separated, and if you do have curls stuck together, just make sure to unclump them. So for example, I have this curl that is clumped together. I'm just gonna make sure it is its own curl and not stuck to hair it shouldn't be. I'm gonna grab my pair of scissors, and what you want to do is measure what you can eye it where you want your hair to be cut. So for example, I want to cut right here. So first you want to eyeball where you want to cut, and then you're going to pull down. Make sure when you pull down, you're not cutting so high up because your curl is going to curl back up. So you don't want to cut it too short. I'm going to be cutting where the S is, so you don't want it to look uneven. Just grab right here and cut. First little curl is gone. This one always bothers me. It's so long. I'm just gonna cut it right here. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up. This is the fringe from the back, so I'm gonna lift up whatever it is. Just let my curls separate. These are the first few strands that we have, so I'm gonna just cut this, trim it right here. Yes, cut. Don't be scared to cut, guys, because at the end of the day, your curls are gonna grow back. So even if you mess up a little bit, it's gonna grow back. So don't even worry about that. We're gonna cut right here. Wow, I feel like I could see again. And make sure you guys are playing with your hair. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Just play around with it. Let all the curls fall to where they should. So I'm not really cutting a lot. I'm just cutting as necessary. Pull down any curls because you might have ones that are stuck up like this one. Just gonna trim that right here, please. Now I'm gonna go ahead and see what I want to cut off the bottom of my hair. I don't really like to fully shape my hair because, again, I'm not professional, so I personally get scared. I like to do just the ends, just the tips. I don't personally give myself a whole haircut. I just trim up when it's necessary. For example, like these hairs sticking out, go ahead and trim. Also, your hair gets pretty dry when it needs a cut. My hair has been getting pretty dry. Curly hair isn't like straight hair. When you guys are cutting your hair while it's straight and then you curl your hair back up, it's not gonna look the same. If you cut your hair straight, then it's only gonna look good when it's straight. You need to cut your hair while it's dry and curl by curl, because every time you shower, your curl is gonna go back to its natural state. You wanna be cutting each curl by itself, because that is how it's gonna curl up the next time and the next time. So you guys see how my hair was covering my eyes, and now it's up. That wasn't so hard, was it? No. You guys see how this curl right here, it has a curl pattern and then it turns to the other way. So it's spiraling all at once and then it spirals the other way. You're gonna wanna cut that spiral. So we wanna make sure all of our curl is spiraling one way. There we go. And now it should be all spiraling at once. I think I'm pretty good on my trim. That is how I trim my curls. I only really trim the bangs, and then I'm just gonna shake. I'm gonna take off any frizz that I see on the sides, just like that. So like these little frizzy things, just trim the bottom. Now I'm just gonna grab the curls, go to the side, shake them out. So guys, just shook out my curls just to see if everything looks good. You're gonna wanna go here at the top of your head and just make sure all the curls in the back are in the back and all the ones that need to be in the front are in the front. So once you do that, you're going to be able to see if there's any more curls that you want to cut. But I do want to cut a little bit more because I like my eyebrows to show a little bit. So just cut right here. I think it looks fabulous. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys like how I cut my bangs, let me know if you guys think I should go a little bit shorter. I might go more blonde for the summer, but these are all the curls that I cut off. Bye, little curlies. Little curly fries. So this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I really hope this helped you guys learn about how to cut your hair and maintain your curls if you don't have access to somebody who can. Make sure if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it. Any concerns, comments, what you thought of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys join my family on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, share with any curly girls that you might think might need some help on their curls. I love to help out my curly community, so love you guys. See you guys later. I'm out.